I didn't wake up inspired. I didn't have a morning playlist, vision board, or some life-changing podcast. Most days, I didn't feel like doing anything, but I did it anyway. And somewhere between doing it tired, doing it bored, doing it without applause, I became mentally strong. Not because I was motivated, but because I learned to move without needing to feel like it. That's the shift. That's the real secret. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I build it. Step 1, I stopped waiting to feel ready. You know that moment where you tell yourself, once I feel motivated, I'll start? Yeah, it's a lie. Motivation is a mood, and moods are unstable. They come, they go, and they never show up when you actually need them. So I stopped depending on how I felt. Instead, I made a rule. If it matters, I do it, no matter what mood I'm in. Tired? Do it. Bored? Do it. Uninspired? Still do it. That's discipline. That's where mental strength begins. Step 2, I made it non-negotiable. Most people treat hard things like options. I'll do it if I have time. I'll go if I'm in the mood. I'll try tomorrow. I deleted that mindset. Instead of asking how I felt, I asked who I wanted to become, and I started showing up like that person before I ever became them. Because you don't magically become strong one day. You earn it, one decision at a time, one uncomfortable moment at a time, one I don't want to, but I will at a time. Step 3, I created structure so I didn't need motivation. You don't need to be hyped to brush your teeth. You just do it. Why? Because it's part of your routine. It's automatic. I treated my priorities the same way. Wake up, train, work, read, on repeat. No debate, no inner negotiation. When you build structure, you stop relying on willpower. You stop relying on feeling like it. You just execute. And that consistency, it rewires your identity. You stop being the person who tries. You become the person who does. Step 4, I embraced boredom and repetition. Mental weakness loves novelty. New apps, new workouts, new hacks, always looking for excitement. But mental strength, it's built in repetition. It's built in the boring days. It's built when no one's watching and nothing is new. I trained myself to show up when it wasn't fun, when it wasn't exciting, when it was just routine. Because the strongest people in the world aren't always motivated. They're just masters of doing it anyway. Step 5, I stopped expecting results too fast. I used to get frustrated. I'd work hard for a week and wonder why I wasn't stronger, smarter, richer. Then I realized mental strength is not instant. It's compound interest. You don't feel the growth at first. You just feel the grind. But if you stay in it quietly, consistently, you wake up one day and realize you've changed. You don't panic under pressure. You don't fold when it's hard. You don't chase motivation because now you don't need it. So here's how I became mentally strong. I stopped negotiating with my excuses. I trained my discipline like a muscle. I showed up without hype, without applause, without dopamine. I let consistency do the work. And now it's just who I am. Not because I'm special, but because I chose it daily. So if you're waiting to feel ready, if you think motivation is the key, let me save you time. It's not. Start now. Start small. Start tired. Start without clarity. Just start. Because once you learn to move without motivation, you become unbreakable.